Today, I want to clearly explain to you the YouTube recommendation system, the secret behind how YouTube chooses what billions of people watch. What if I told you that YouTube doesn't actually care whether you are a small creator or a creator with 10 million subscribers? I know that it sounds hard to believe. Every day, thousands of creators say things like, the algorithm hates my channel. YouTube only promotes big YouTubers. My content is good, but YouTube is not pushing it. Have you ever said something similar? If so, you are not alone. But what if those beliefs are keeping you from understanding how YouTube really works? Today, we are going behind the scenes of one of the most powerful recommendation systems ever built. A system that helps billions of viewers discover videos every day. A system that decides what happens on your homepage, in suggested videos, in shorts, and even in your notifications. Most creators think they need to beat the algorithm, but that is the wrong goal. The creators who grow consistently are not fighting the algorithm. They understand what it is trying to accomplish. By the end of this video, you'll understand why YouTube recommends certain videos, how it evaluates uploads, and what practical steps you can take to improve your chances of reaching more viewers. Everything in this lesson is based on explanation from YouTube Creators Academy, Creator Insider, and publicly shared information from YouTube's engineering team. So let us begin. Why does recommendation system exist? Before we talk about how the recommendation system works, we need to answer an even more important question. Why does YouTube need a recommendation system in the first place? Imagine walking into the world's largest library. Instead of books, every shelf contains videos. Not thousands, not millions, hundreds of millions of videos with hundreds of hours of new content uploaded every minute. Now, imagine trying to find exactly the right video without any help. It would be overwhelming. You might never discover the creators whose content you would genuinely enjoy. That is the challenge YouTube faces every single day. Its mission is to connect every viewer with videos they are most likely to find valuable, entertaining, educational, and inspirational. Without recommendations, viewers would spend too much time searching and too little time enjoying. The recommendation system exists to solve that problem. Its purpose is not to make famous creators more famous. Its purpose is to help viewers find the right video at the right moment. When viewers quickly discover the videos they enjoy, they are more likely to return to YouTube. That benefits viewers, creators, and the platform. The biggest misunderstanding about the algorithm. Let us clear one of the biggest myths. Many creators believe YouTube asks this question: which creator deserves more views today? But that is not how the system works. Which video is this specific viewer most likely to enjoy right now? You notice the difference. The focus is on the viewer, not the creator. Every recommendation begins with understanding the viewer's interest, habits, and previous viewing patterns. This means two people opening YouTube at exactly the same time may see completely different home pages. One viewer might see cooking tutorials. Another one might see football highlights. A third one might see Bible teachings. A fourth one may see technology reviews. Each recommendation on YouTube is personalized. That is why there is no single YouTube homepage shared by everyone. YouTube's goal is viewer satisfaction. Many creators think success is measured by only views. Views matter, but they are only part of the picture. Imagine two videos. Each receives 100,000 views. The first video has a misleading title. Many viewers click it but leave almost immediately because it doesn't deliver what was promised. The second video attracts the right audience. Viewers stay engaged, feel the content met their expectations, and continue watching more videos afterwards. Even though both videos receive the same number of views, the second one provides a much better experience for viewers. This illustrates an important idea. YouTube aims to recommend videos that leave viewers satisfied, not simply videos that attract clicks. That is why creating value for your audience is more important than chasing numbers alone. Now you understand why YouTube built its recommendation system and what it is trying to achieve. The next question is, how does YouTube know what billions of different viewers want to watch? That is exactly what we are going to explore. The day YouTube meets your video. Imagine you have just finished editing your best video ever. You have spent days researching. You have recorded crystal clear audio. You have designed an eye-catching thumbnail. You finally click publish. Now, let me ask you a question. What happens next? Many creators imagine YouTube immediately decides whether the video will become viral. But that is not what happens. YouTube doesn't instantly know whether your video is amazing. Think about it. Your video is brand new. It has no viewing history, no audience retention data, no satisfaction data, no record of how viewers will respond. So, YouTube has to learn. This is one of the most important ideas every creator should understand. The recommendation system doesn't begin by assuming whether your video is good or bad. Instead, it begins by learning from viewer response. Every upload on YouTube is a new opportunity. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is believing that if one video performs poorly, the channel is permanently damaged. That is not how YouTube describes its recommendation system. Each new upload creates a fresh opportunity to reach viewers who may enjoy that specific video. While your channel helps YouTube to understand this kind of content you create, each video's performance with the viewers also matters. If a new upload strongly connects with its intended audience, it can earn wider recommendations, regardless of how previous videos performed. That is encouraging news. It means your next upload could become your breakthrough. The recommendation system starts looking for the right audience. Imagine you are uploading a video called 10 Hidden CapCut Editing Tricks Every Creator Should Know. Would YouTube recommend it to someone who spends every day watching football highlights? Probably not. Would it recommend it to someone who watches tutorials about CapCut, video editing, and YouTube growth? Much more likely. This is where personalization becomes important. YouTube's recommendation system tries to watch videos with viewers who are most likely to find them useful or enjoyable. According to YouTube, recommendations are personalized using signals such as viewers' watch history, search history, subscriptions, likes, and other feedback. Not every viewer sees the same recommendations. Viewer choice matters more than creator hope. Now, imagine your video appears on someone's homepage. At that moment, YouTube has done its job. It introduced your video to a viewer who might be interested. Now, the next decision belongs to the viewer. Do they click or do they keep scrolling? This is why thumbnails and titles matter. Your title explains the promise. Together, they answer one silent question in the viewer's mind. Is this worth my time? What happens after they click? Many creators celebrate when someone clicks, but YouTube is interested in something even more important. What happens after the click? Did the viewer stay? Did they leave after 10 seconds? Did they watch most of the video? Did they feel the video delivered what the title promised? Did they continue watching other videos on YouTube? These are the kinds of signals that help YouTube understand whether a recommendation was successful. YouTube says different recommendation surfaces consider different signals, but viewer behavior and satisfaction play an important role. If you found this video helpful, I want you to consider to like and subscribe and hit on the notification button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.